Let's jump straight into how you can make passive income using Pinterest. 1. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest. One of the easiest ways to generate passive income on Pinterest is through affiliate marketing. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate and start pinning products with your unique affiliate links. When people click through your pins and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Make sure your pins are eye-catching and have detailed descriptions, keywords, and links. Use Pinterest SEO by incorporating popular keywords in your niche so that your pins get discovered in searches. Tip: focus on creating content that solves problems or provides value, such as 10 best kitchen gadgets you need or must-have home office supplies. 2. Sell digital products. If you're looking to earn passive income, selling digital products on Pinterest can be a great option. Digital products like printables, ebooks, or design templates are easy to create and have no inventory or shipping costs. Once you design them, they can be sold over and over again. You can promote these products on Pinterest by creating high-quality pins that link back to your website, Etsy shop, or an online store like Gumroad or Shopify. Make sure the design of your pins is visually appealing, and add a call to action in the pin description to encourage people to click through and purchase. 3. Blogging plus Pinterest equals passive income. Starting a blog and using Pinterest to drive traffic to it is one of the most popular strategies for passive income. Once you have blog posts up, you can monetize your blog with ads, affiliate links, or even by selling your own products. Pinterest is a great traffic source for bloggers because it functions like a search engine, and well-optimized pins can generate traffic for months or even years. Create pin graphics for your blog posts, use SEO-friendly titles, and pin them to multiple relevant boards. As your pins get saved and shared, the traffic to your blog grows, and so does your potential income. 4. Pinterest ads, promoted pins. If you want to grow your passive income more quickly, you can invest in Pinterest ads. Promoted pins allow you to reach more people by boosting your pins to the top of search results or in their feeds. By driving traffic to your affiliate links, blog, or store, you can increase sales without constantly being active on Pinterest. Set up targeted campaigns that align with your niche and audience. The key is to promote pins that have high conversion potential. This could be a product you're an affiliate for, a course you're selling, or even a bundle of printables. 5. Offer Pinterest management services. While this isn't fully passive, offering Pinterest management services can be a great way to earn while building up your passive income streams. Many businesses and bloggers are willing to pay someone to manage their Pinterest accounts, create pins, and optimize boards for search. Once you get a few clients, you can create processes to automate parts of your work, making it semi-passive. You can scale this by offering Pinterest courses or ebooks on Pinterest marketing, which can then generate passive income while you focus on other things. 6. Create and sell Pinterest templates. If you're skilled in graphic design, you can make and sell Pinterest templates for other bloggers, content creators, and business owners. Many people want to create beautiful pins but don't have the design skills or time, so they're willing to pay for templates they can easily customize in Canva or Photoshop. Once you create a set of templates, you can sell them on Etsy, Creative Market, or your own website. You can promote them using Pinterest itself by creating pins that showcase your designs, linking back to where people can purchase them. 7. Sell online courses. If you're knowledgeable about a particular subject, you can create online courses and promote them through Pinterest. Whether you're teaching about photography, personal finance, or even Pinterest marketing, courses are an excellent way to generate passive income. By creating a sales funnel through Pinterest, pins that link to a free webinar or lead magnet, which then upsells your course, you can automate your sales process. Pins that perform well can keep driving traffic to your course long after they're first posted. In 2024, Pinterest remains a powerful platform for generating passive income. Whether you're diving into affiliate marketing, selling digital products, promoting a blog, or offering services, there are countless ways to make money while leveraging Pinterest's reach. Consistency is key, stay active, optimize your content for Pinterest search, and you'll see results over time.